Welcome, in front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to make this laptop faster. So the first tip that I can share with you is changing the power mode of your device, which will increase the productivity of your laptop. To do that, right click the battery icon on your status bar, then go to power and sleep settings, then select power mode and change the power mode from balanced to best performance. You can change this power mode for your device both when it's plugged in to the charging cable or works on battery power, but I recommend you only doing this for your device when it's plugged in, because when it works on battery power it will make your battery discharge way faster. The next thing that you can do is disable the startup apps if you have some excessive startup apps that boot up when your device turns on. To do that, right click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, then go to Startup Apps section, then sort the status, sort them by status, and you'll find the applications that start up when your device boots up by the status if it says enabled. And for me, these applications are essentials, so there is no need in disabling them. But if you have some excessive applications like game launchers or messengers that you don't need when you start up your device, just right click any of these applications and click disable, and this way you will turn it off and prevent it from turning on when your device boots up. Now the other way to make your laptop faster is to keep it up to date. To do that, open the Start menu, go to Settings, then go to Windows Update. And in Windows Update section, you can check for updates, and if you have any updates for your device, install them. In this way, your update will be your hardware will be in touch with your software. And in Advanced Options, you can select Optional Updates and see if you have any optional updates to install. By the way, you can find some essential driver updates right here. So make sure that you check it, and once you update your device you might have to restart it. To do that, you can either click right here or just restart your laptop normally. Click right here. I think once the updates are installed, there will be the option to restart your computer. Okay, and the other way to keep your device healthy and productive is by using the AcerSense application. It has to be pre-installed on your laptop, and if it's not, then you haven't updated the inside drivers and inside components of your device that can be updated using the previous method that I mentioned right before. And so once you update your device, you will find this AcerSense application. You can also find it by just searching for it in your search field or in Start menu, or just by going to the applications list and selecting AcerSense. Now once you open this application, you will also be able to change the usage mode, which is more adapted to your laptop. So you can select performance mode right here, and this will be more accurate than the Windows one. Now you can also expand this list of options by tapping this 3 lines icon in the left upper corner. And for example, you can select Checkup and check your device's hardware by clicking Checkup All and see if your hardware is healthy. And this way you can keep track of your device's hardware elements, and of course this way you can check their productivity and health. And by expanding this list right here, by dragging this icon right here, you can also check if your device has any updates by clicking Check Now right here. And if you have any updates to install, they will be listed on this page, and you'll be able to install them automatically. And that's basically it. That's how you keep your device productive and healthy. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.